Lesson 6.4, reflect a figure over a line. Number one is really easy because we have a horizontal line to reflect over. It's really the line y equals 3. And when you reflect a figure, you just want to be equidistant from that line. So this point right here is 1 away or 1 above the line, so I'd go 1 below. This one is 1, 2, 3 away, so I'd go 1, 2, 3. This one's 1 away, so it'd be 1 away. And this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'd go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Delta Math will be nice. It'll make this shape for you. But again, remember how we talked about we're doing rigid transformations where I haven't changed the shape or size. I've just changed how it's positioned. So that one's easy. Sometimes you'll have a vertical line and you'll have to reflect. So you're just horizontally counting the distance away. Number two gets a little bit trickier because now we have a slanted line to reflect over. I'm hoping you remember from algebra that you have y equals mx plus b. This line has a y-intercept of 4, so that's why it goes through the y-axis there. And then the slope is really -1, which says you go down 1, right 1. So they've got the line graph for you. If I want to reflect the shape over a diagonal line, I need to count diagonally how far it is from it. So I'll take this point right here. See how diagonally it's 1 box away? So I'm going to go diagonally 1 box away. Okay, let's do this one. This is 1, 2, 3 diagonal boxes. 1, 2, 3. And then this one's the farthest away. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half a box. There's a half a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just going corner to corner. And of course it'll look better on Delta Math. You won't have all these lines. It'll look like something like that. So you're just counting diagonals of boxes. But that's only when our slope is 1 or -1 because our line goes through corner to corner of a box. So number 3 is even harder because now we have a line y equals -1/3 x plus 2. Our y-intercept is 2. Our slope is down 1, right 3. So you can see where our slope is. Okay, if we want to reflect this, what I would suggest doing, and let me get a pencil because I don't want to make this too messy. What I would suggest doing is picking out your slope. Okay, so your slope right now is -1/3. I want to be perpendicular to this. And then when you make a line or something be perpendicular, it's the negative reciprocal, which means two things. It means it changes the sign. So now we're going to have a positive slope and it flips the fraction. And if it's not a fraction, you make it a fraction and flip it. So that would be +3. If you want to put over 1, you can. So what I would do is take each point and I'm going to think if I wanted to make a line through here that has a slope of 3, from this point I'd go up 1, 2, 3, right 1. That just helps me see how it's going to be angled, but I really want it to be down here. So I'm going to go think about how this ratio is. Instead of going up 3, right 1, I could go down 1, 2, 3, left 1. So see how these look equidistant away? So that's the first point. Okay, let's pick, and we'll go up here. Think about if I were to have a slope of up 3, right 1, it'd be 1, 2, 3, right 1, somewhere here. So now I'm going to go, instead of that, down 1, 2, 3, left 1. Obviously I'm not far enough. Keep going down 1, 2, 3, left 1. 1, 2, 3, left 1. So I had to go 2 whole times plus half of another. So I need to go 2 whole more times to get down to where I should be. So go down 1, 2, 3, left 1. 1, 2, 3, left 1. Should be there. And so I know that's kind of confusing, but what I'm trying to get to you is I'm down 3, left 1. I'm 1, 2 and a half times of that away. So I need to go half and then 2 more of the down 3 left ones again. And you'll be able to see that it looks the same. Okay, let's try it for this point here. Think if I went up 1, 2, 3, right 1, that put me here. So I need to go down 1, 2, 3, left 1. I'm not to my line yet. 1, 2, 3, left 1. So it took me 1.5 times. So I'm back over it, and right now that's my half. I need to go one more time. 1, 2, 3, left 1. So it'd be right there. One more time. This would be 1, 2, 3, right 1. Somewhere up here. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, left 1, 1, 2, 3, left 1. So that's 2 times of doing it. 1, 2, 3, left 1. So it took me exactly 3 of that pattern to get here. So now I'm going to go 3 more times under the line. 1, 2, 3, left 1, 1, 2, 3, left 1, 1, 2, 3, left 1. So let's see what it looks like. Looks pretty good to me. So again, repeating those steps, you'll pick out what the slope of the line is you're reflecting over. You need to negate it, means if it's positive, make it negative. If it's negative, make it positive. And then reciprocate it, means flip the fraction. That's the new slope that you're using as your pattern. And however many times it takes you to get to the line of reflection, you need to do that same amount of times under or over that line of reflection.